What's going on? It's your boy JD Nation 1 back with another video, man. Today's video basically, man, I need louder music, man. My music is not loud, man. I guess I got the Alpine set up in my redeye and it's terrible. So what I'm getting ready to do, actually put the PRV in there, audio, put me an amp on there. I'm gonna keep it to factory settings. So when I do the factory settings and everything, you know, I don't have to add no extra, you know, pods and stuff like that to put the music in. So it's gonna be lit, man. Went to a little block party last night, man. This what happened. This is the results. I don't know if y'all can see it. Got me a little scratch on it, man. Lesson learned. You know, I was letting them have a little fun. Everybody coming up to the car, leaning on the car. People don't understand when you have a car and you got your belts and your phones and everything, and to get the rubbing on it, it messes up the car, it scratches it, you know. But people don't understand that because they don't know a lot about cars. So I'm teaching y'all right now. You ever out, don't lean on a car. You got your belt buckle, everything can scratch it, man. Your nails, all type of stuff, you know. So it is what it is. But catch me June 5th in St. Louis at Stunning Reese. I forgot the name of it, but I'm gonna be at Stunning Reese Car Show, Demonologies. It's popping. Still looking good though. Big forges. Got some underbody light glow that I'm getting ready to put on actually sometime this week. This setup right here. Yep. Get this bad boy going. My cuz should put it on for me. So with that being said, I'll make a quick video, man. I just want to let y'all know what's going on. It's your boy JD Nation 1 and I'm out.